Congratulations if you're an individual that is looking to get your finances in order or just learn about basic financial literacy. It is the foundation for everything you're going to build out and leave through the course of your lifetime. So it is important. Typically, if people reach out to me at the individual level, it is because there is a tax situation, an audit, they're behind on their taxes. It's usually not a pleasant call, but I do offer those. You would book a one-time call with me from my website, and I'd be happy to talk to you. Otherwise, if you're just looking to get more information on basic financial literacy, like, post, subscribe, please reach out. Tell me in the comments what you would like to hear or topics you'd like to see, because I am trying to get around to rolling that and be a little bit more consistent on that. But that's about it. Congratulations.